How to set multiple take profit levels on Bybit. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, I'll guide you through quick steps on how you can set multiple take profit levels on Bybit. Well, first things first, you want to go ahead and open up Bybit. So once you open up Bybit, you want to make sure you are logged in on your account that you wish to trade from. Here now, all you gotta do is you want to simply set multiple take profits TP levels on Bybit. Navigate to your open position. Navigate to your open position, and then you want to go ahead and then click add to a new TP order. Specify the desired TP level, quantity and order type, market or limit, and then confirm it. Once you've done so, you want to add a new TP order, then configure the TP order, TP level, order quantity, order type, TP or SL mode, and then confirm and repeat it. Repeat steps 2 to 4 to add multiple TP orders with different levels and quantities, that is, adding new TP order. So this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.